Got one! I've been fishing for over 20 years, and yet, every time I hit the water, I'm being reminded it will not be the same as the last trip was. In this video, our plan was to go through the floodgate and fish the open water. Since that was not an option today, we decided to chase some birds and let Lord decide the day for us. And as you can see, despite the weather, we are not disappointed. So hang on tight and enjoy the rest of the video.
Beginner's luck. It's a tiny baby. It's a sand trap. Trying to get closer to them. Alright, switch spots. Go for it. Are they behind us again?
Yep, they're behind us.
Alright, let me turn around.
Oh!
What happened?
Something came up huge. Huge, Juby.
This way?
Yes. I'm talking about huge, dude.
Oh, fudge. Got one. Yep.
I don't know what it is, because I know it's good.
Yup. Big ol' Sandy.
Like Sandy or?
Yep, Sandy.
Good boy. Whatever that was. Oh, he is getting.
He got the, what you call it, the glittery, the lucky lure, the last piece.
I'm gonna throw up switch, bro. I like, they're getting smacked. They want that shark too.
Yeah. Let it sink and then slowly retrieve it. When you retrieve, twitch, let go for a little bit. Twitch, let go, and then retrieve. There you go. There you go. See? But the technique worked. And you did exactly I told you, twitch. Hey, you catching fish. Don't care about the size, bro. You came here to catch fish, right?
Yeah, for me, if I can.
That's a keeper. A sand trout, you can keep it. It doesn't have a it doesn't have a size limit. You can keep it.
Okay.
The one with the speck, little black dots on it.
Yeah.
Those are speckled trout. Those have to have what, a 15 and up, right?
Yeah. 15
inch. Yeah, not 15 feet, bro.
Oh.
Got one?
Whatever it is.
Okay. There you go. Get him, get him, get him. Ooh, it's pulling drag.
Looks like a flounder. Oh, it is.
In the net or what? Oh, hell. Here, let me get the net for you. What the heck is the net? Oh, can you give me the net?
Feels like a. I let go.
Watch my rod.
Let go.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like, can't keep it anyway. The season's closed.
You.
That's how I was like, what?
Flounders.
Oh. The season's closed on them right now? There you go.
There you go. That's a huge one. Pulling drag. It's turned on, bro. It's recording. Listen to the drag on that little hundo. See if they got anybody. I'm casting right next to you.
See what we got on the line today.
Red?
I don't know if it's a red or a...
pulling like a red.
Or a jack. It's pulling hard, whatever it is.
But...
Oh, it's a red.
I told you.
Yeah.
It's this one. It's keeper.
Keeper?
Yep. Head first.
Head first, yeah.
And scoop him in. There you go.
All right.
Hey, multi-spotter.
First one. Woo! Let's go.
What can I say? You're welcome.
Is it? Looks like it might be short. We'll see.
No, he looks 15. No, he has to be 20. Sorry.
Oh, like he looks short.
Yeah. I'm still thinking of a trout, bro. Sorry. I'm giving you hope.
I know. Like he looks short.
So I'm going into this grass line, see if we can get lucky.
That's exactly what. There he was. On that line, bro. Wish you guys luck on that. Hopefully, I'm feeling towards the shoreline. Kind of the road back.
How deep is it, Nazib?
2.8.
Alright, we're getting shallow. Alright, so we're set for the grass line. Oh. So now we're fishing the marsh now. So marsh is a different game.
I've had a lot of fishing partners, including my brother. I think, honestly, Jubin, you've kind of been the best.
You're welcome. You are
I
welcome.
used to wait a lot with guys, go on their boats all the time,
Bro, my waiter is just sitting in there.
but yeah, everybody likes grinding out, but some people just want to drink. Like, it's a drinking game for them. Like, I don't know, you know, like Derek's like,
Yeah.
get drunk. And I'm like, no, dude, that's not what we go fish for. Like, dude, so there's a thing Jubin and I say is if you want to get closer to God, come fishing. Because it's you versus nature.
Nature gonna nurture you. Ooh.
What?
Who's
Saw?
right here?
It's right there.
Oh, what you feeling?
No, it's, oh yeah.
No, that's grass.
No, it's not in this point. It's right in that little hole right
The
there.
refuge still there?
Yes, I saw it. Bro.
Catch it.
Go back.
Watch. Catch it.
Watch.
Catch it. Catch it. Catch it.
I'm like, watch. Because I saw a swirl.
I heard something blew up. It's drizzling rain, but it's not fog anymore.
Got something.
Alright. It's Xavier's day today, or what? Flounder? Flounder?
Yes. Big flounder, too.
Alright, bring him up. Bring him up. Bro. Bring him here. Turn him. Turn it another way.
I like it's a big
Just
flounder, too.
give me his head. I'll put him in. There you go.
Woo! Bro!
Damn. Damn. Son, he ain't playing today.
Alright, catching the hoagies, catching flounder today on the hoagies. Fortunately, it's out of season right now, so this one's gonna go back, but awesome catch, awesome fight. I'm just enjoying the weather today, and we'll see you next time.
Hey. Gonna hold on to him. If you need the D-hooker or the plier right behind you. Alright. You just chill for a bit. Let me try catching a fish. Huh?
The echo goes. Hugo wants to turn.
Nope.
Not myself already.
I'm being a charter guide for you all today.
Thank you, David.
Got one.
Got one?
Yup.
Ooh, yeah.
Red school. Red school.
Full of reds. Ooh.
Hold it, Nazim, hold it, Nazim, hold it. Unhook him. Unhook him if you can, please.
Oh.
Let him go.
Let him go.
Yeah, he's undersized.
Damn it, man. He let go.
Let me see if I can catch a second one.
Big enough.
Is he?
No. Man, catch.
Oh, the second.
There you go. Serious. I wonder if we just jig.
That's what I'm doing, just bouncing a little bit.
No, I know.
There you go. Ah, that's it.
Yep, it worked.
Jig, bounce, whatever. Alright, so dropping it straight down. Alright, it's on the ground. And just wait for it to bite. There you go, nothing got one. And I got one double up. Oh no, I lost mine. Dang. Alright, I still got my bait.
Mine not. Mine went away.
Gosh. But look at the shrimp. Freaking get destroyed.
I know.
I'm dropping that again. Alright. There you go.
I bet you it's the same one.
And I get the shrimp back again. Yep, about same size. Artificials?
After the rain, we were the only boat that
job.
literally just stayed around, and as you can see, the sand trials were biting left and right.
No, this.
They're literally just going for anything and everything. We ended up running out of live shrimps, and we had some green, kind of crappie lure looking stuff. And they were getting crushed with that too, so we just ended up decided to keep a whole bunch of sand trials and fill up the cooler. So that's just the rest of the video now.
Yeah, too.
Tiny baby.
So, there you go, David.
Alright.
So, like, no more bait.
I mean, still got like about dozens or something.
I know, but like,
If it works, it works. You? This one is running.
bloop.
They're playing the DJ mix. Open the bell and drop it.
Yeah.
Not even a second. Oh!
You really did too much. Because whenever it gets to the eye, Sandy, Sandy all day.
You.
Look at that boy.
Lost it again.
Here's a bigger one. Showing us how it's done today.
Huh?
Now you're showing us how it's done today, aren't you?
Yeah, I just like the shrimp.
Here's the decent one again. See? I know how to fish. I don't know what you're talking about.
No one does.
You sure about that? Wind picked up.
Another one.
DJ Khaled. Another one. That was supposed to be it.
That's what I thought.
We're the only boat.
You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you got to stand up.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.